In this video, I want to talk about how you can refer a friend on Webull. Now to do this, you're gonna use the app, so make sure that you download Webull on your phone. After that, what you want to do is open up the Webull app, go to your account settings, and once you're inside of your account settings, there should be a referral section. Inside of there will be something called like referral, invite friends, free stocks, or something like that. What you want to do is you want to share this referral link to, it can be your friend, it can be if you have a following somewhere, and you just want to share this link. And then what people will do is they will click on the link and they will sign up and you'll get a referral. You can also be able to track your referrals from in there, so you can see if people signed up, how many signed up, and stuff like this. Now, the people who click on your link, they need to they need to log into their Webull or create their Webull account, and for most of the referrals they need to put some sort of money into the account, like a minimum amount. It should say within, when you try and refer, there should be a little rules, and it will say how much people need to put in before you get your referral, as well as they get their bonus. Now that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.